to episode 1 of Aaron's Chaotic Kitchen, where we make a huge mess and hopefully make something that tastes good in the process. We're making cannoli. Have I made it before? No. Do I know if this is going to work? No. It'll just be an adventure. Some flour, some sugar, and some salt. Sift those together into your bowl. Take some butter. Get your hands dirty. Now we're having the recipe today, so I'm going to use half an egg yolk, which supposedly is a tablespoon. No idea. It's never too early for cheap wine. A little bit to the recipe, a little bit for your mouth. Mix this around until you get yourself a dough. Looks good to me. Give it a little wrap, and we're off to the fridge for a bit. Boom! We got a bowl. We got some ricotta cheese. This is a whisk. Smooth. Like good New Orleans jazz. Powdered sugar. Some cinnamon and some allspice. Sift those in there. Does anyone actually know what allspice tastes like? Good enough. You're going to want to take some whipping cream, take your mixer, and beat the hell out of it. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Gently fold it into the bowl. And whisper soft words of encouragement. Don't worry about picking a career, there's lots of time. Perfect. Mini chocolate chips. Mix them in. Give them a little taste. It's actually good. Pop this in the fridge. Yeah, fridge. I did it again. Get some flour. Get your countertop messier than it already is. Give it a little roll. Be encouraging. Come on! If you do want to impress somebody, don't follow this. Oh dear. That's pretty thin, right? Get yourself a cutter. Cut yourself some circles. It's just like playing hopscotch. Except not. So now, get yourself some wonderful stainless steel tubes, made for cannoli. Can you do anything else with them? No. It's just like making pigs in a blanket. A little bit of egg wash. It doesn't quite reach. Oh no. Oh. Okay, that one did. We're good. Oh, I knew this was going to be a disaster. More or less 360 degrees. Close enough. Oh, that one blew up. You fast forwarded anyway. It doesn't matter. Grab a cup, grab a piping bag, stick it in the cup. Easy. And then just spoon all of the cannoli filling into the bag. Easy as that. Give it a little twist. Frown at the large noise upstairs.
Grab your piping bag and start filling up those cannoli shells. But make sure the piping tip's too small so that you can throw a fit halfway through. Oh god, yeah, because it can't possibly look worse, right? And if after all this you still plan to serve these to people, make sure you dust them with sugar.
And there you have it. Some cannoli tacos, some weird leftovers, and an enormous mess. All that matters is the taste. Yeah, we're good. If you're trying to impress a crowd, I wouldn't do this. Maybe do it more than once before you make them for someone. But I got a family who will eat them. See you next time.